All right, so in the coming months, we're going to be making some series of videos on these Coyote conversion swap kits. And what I mean by that is for those that are starting out with a project that already have a pull-out Coyote and transmission, they need the remaining parts to make it all work. So a lot of these scrap yards that they're getting the engines from, they're claiming that they're bolt-in ready. Well, honestly, it's far from the truth. They're going to need a lot of stuff in order to make that work. So that's where we come into play here. We've got most of the stuff here laid out. Some of the stuff here is not all here, but you'll get the gist of it. And there's going to be variables that come into play when we do supply these kits, whether it be for a Gen 2, a Gen 3, Gen 4, if it's an automatic, if it's a stick, 6-speed, 10-speed, whatever it might be. So we're going to kit a lot of these accordingly, and sometimes we'll have to just kind of customize it based upon the application. So this one is for an early F100. Customer has a Gen 2, they have a 6R80, and they're going to need the rest of the stuff to, in order to make this all work. And kind of what that includes would be the control pack, the harnesses and sensors and ECU. That's not here, but that's going to be a big factor, and why you definitely would want to start with at least a control pack is using the existing harness and controller from an old engine. You're dealing with an existing security theft system, a lot of extra splicing, a lot of extra plugins that are not needed. So the control pack, it's going to be clearly labeled, the aftermarket ones from Ford Performance, where it's going to make your job a whole lot easier. So all the other stuff, well, we can go right down the list here. You're going to need engine mounts, cross member, headers. Cameraman, just stay right here. I have some headers here as well, so these will be in with the package too. The mid-length headers. And again, this is for an F100. So we're going to supply it with the whole radiator kit, the fuel tank, which will have the proper volume fuel pump, 340 liters per hour. And I'm just randomly going down the other stuff here. So this is going to be the Dakota Digital kit. He's going to have the full pulleys that he needs in order to relocate the alternator to the other side, in order to fit into the chassis, AC compressor, power steering pump, all the necessary bracketry to make that all work. You have, we got the fuel line fittings, AN fittings. We're going to have the fuel lines for feed and return. Over there too, some heater hoses. We got a shifter handle, and what else? I mean, a lot of the other miscellaneous stuff, like these billet heater hose pieces, the universal upper radiator hose fitting that makes it a lot easier to hook up your radiator hoses, the H-pipe. We got an oil cooler relocation kit in here in order to fit into tight spots. So it's a complete package, and it's going to make your life a lot easier, and all available on tdmotion.com.